What's up, America? And how are you? Listen, how well did we do late last week? I mean, we've been doing well for about a week, right? It's been nice. We've been in good mode. It's nice. A lot. We've been doing great, man. Hey, listen, go watch Thursday's video. I'll wait. Go watch Thursday's video. Press pause. Go watch Thursday's video. Press pause, come back. You back in? If you just watched Thursday's video, what did you see? Wow. We set to short Shopify in the pre-market. Thursday morning when we did the video, we set to short Shopify at $424 a share. We said this could be a 7.5 or 8% play. We said soon enough, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week, maybe in a week or so, maybe in 2 weeks, because it was going to be a nice play, almost 8%. We said cover when it gets there soon at 391 from the 424 where you sold short. The next day, for example, Friday on the open, the next day, for example, in just over 24 hours, from like 8:30 Thursday morning to 9:30 or so Friday morning, boom, it opened the next day, Friday, at about 391. It was gettable. It was coverable at 391. The play did everything we wanted it to do, expected it to do, and Yahtzee, 7.78% in 1 day or so. We cashed the next day, too, on Friday. We've been cashing the previous Friday, Monday, Thursday, Friday. We've been cashing left and right. We've been cashing more than we've not been cashing. If you have money to invest, do it. Make it happen. Today's play is Duke Energy Corp, DUK, $DUK, ticker symbol DUK, Duke Energy Corp. This is the $85 billion elephant in the room, the $85 billion company that you have never heard of. You have heard of many $8 billion companies. And surprisingly, this $85 billion company, when it comes to the mainstream, is under the radar. It's not sexy, it's an energy company, but they're trying to make it sexier. Clean energy, green energy, hydroelectric, upgrades. They're all over the place. They're all over it's a huge conglomerate, Duke. Duke Energy Corp, $DUK. They've been down at 111, but in the interest of honesty and fairness, as we do this video, I looked right before we pressed record, right before I came into YouTube. I looked one more time at the pre-market price, and it had gone back up a little bit to Friday's close, so it wasn't gettable at $111 a share. It was gettable at $111.32. I still like it there to go back up into the upper 111s, maybe even as high as the upper 112s or higher before it would come back down. So based on the charting and the due diligence that I've done, the play that I like for today, where we're only looking to get 0.5%. Why 0.5%? Why 50 basis points instead of 7.78% like we did Thursday into Friday? Why? Because you mix them. You take the good, you take the bad. Listen, if you're average, if you beat the market on average, differential from zero, net, by 50 basis points every trading day, 251 times a year. If you beat the game by 50 basis points on an average, on an everyday, so to speak, basis, you would multiply your money in 1 year by 3.5. You could turn $1,000 into $3,500. You could turn $10,000, which a lot of Americans do have to invest. You could turn $10,000 by getting 0.5% a day into $35,000, and you could add $25,000 to your income at minimal risk. We are looking for 0.5% today, 50 basis points, and as such, we are buying, believe it or not. Today's play is not a short. We are buying, even though it's near its weekly high for the week. We are buying Duke Energy Corp, $DUK, ticker symbol DUK. We are buying it at $111.32, $111.32. Less if you can get it. If you want to be patient, wait for a dip. If while you're watching this video it happens to be trading back at 111 or less, great. But I would buy it at 111.32. and hold on to it for 0.5%, 50 basis points, which is about 56 cents. So I would exit in the upper 111s, still in the 111s, still where it's been in the last week or two, still where it's been in the last month. In April, this thing was above 115. As recently as 4 weeks ago, this was above 115. Buy it at 111.32, get out of it at 111.88. And with that 56-cent gain from 111.32 cents to 111.88 cents, you've got your 0.5%. And if you're investing $10,000, remember, investing, not gambling. We've got gambling. We do sports betting on this channel too. If you're investing $10,000 that you have to invest, you're not lighting it on fire, you're not gambling it, you're investing it. If you invest $10,000, it's a quick, easy way to make $50 and add that to your daily haul, your expenses, your budget, your overhead, and you can eat better. And like me, be like 270 pounds and living a good life. That's it. Duke, $DUK, 111.32, get in, 111.88, get out, and that's your quintessential stock pick of the day. And yes, of course, I love you all.